Well, on the way to work this morning, couldn't believe driving up the motorway. It was like virtually pitch black, and there's this vehicle towing a Caravan, and no lights absolutely at all on it. And it's like either the driver mistakenly doesn't know that that is the case, or the cables come out. Because as I was overtaken, his vehicle lights were on at the back, which was still really pointless because, as you'll see, it was totally blacked out at the back. You can't see a thing. And I'd be amazed if they'd been travelling for quite a distance like that as well, because you would have been pulled, surely. But, you know, no wonder you get accidents on the motorway and stuff, and because of things like that, you know. So always check your lights. If you're towing anything, check your lights, check things are plugged in properly, because it's not worth points on your licence or a fine, or even causing a fatal accident to others or yourself. Anyway, here's a video, have a look.
Then you look at Mark Noble in the office. James has played this West End rules, and you could have characters in there. When you're up against it, everybody's up against you. You've got to have that look.
Look at this idiot, no lights. No lights at all. It's virtually pitch black.
Oh yeah, he is just down tools there. That's what annoys me.
Now you might have lights on the front, but absolutely nothing on the back. And this is the motorway.
Still to come on.
And ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is why you have accidents on the motorway. Absolutely ridiculous. You could have lights on the back of your car.